How to do a secret conversation on Messenger app. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of app tutorial. Secret conversations is a feature on Messenger which lets you chat with other people, and all those chats are end-to-end encrypted, which means even Facebook won't be able to access those messages. So to start a secret conversation on Messenger, you can just open up your Messenger app first and then open up the chat with whom you want to do a secret conversation with. From here, tap on the eye icon on the top right, and then if you scroll down from here, you'll see an option of go to secret conversations under more actions. Just tap on this option and a secret conversation message will open up where you can type in and start a new secret conversation. Now all these messages will be end-to-end encrypted, as you can see right here. If you tap on the eye icon on the top right, you can tap on this end-to-end encrypted option and you'll get two codes, one for the other person and one for you. By using those keys, you can access these messages. You can also add in or create disappearing messages by tapping on the disappearing message option. This way you can set the exact time that the message will disappear. For example, if you set it to 30 seconds, and once you send in a message and once the other person sees the message, that message will be disappeared or removed within 30 seconds. So this is also a nice feature to have. So that's how easily you can do a secret conversation on Messenger app. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.